Hey guys, John here with TomorrowsTek, and on this episode, we've got our 2017 Porsche Macan Turbo. We're going to install one of these brand new cabin air filters from PureFlow. This is the Febreze model. It is an unscented model, but this one kind of looks like a K&N air filter. It's kind of cool. So, packaging definitely caught me on this one. So, guys, if you want to pick one of these up, make sure you check in the link down below in the description. You can pick one of these up on Amazon, have it delivered right to your doorstep. So, let me flip this camera around. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to install it. We're going to have some better air quality in no time. Okay, guys, here we are. We are in the Panamera here. We're going to go ahead and pop out our new air filter. In order to do that, we're going to get our old one out. So make room. I'm going to set this seat back real quick so I can get in here a little better. And I'm going to flip my hat. Okay guys, so we're going to start by unscrewing this one. My hand gets in the way, that's okay. They're just little clips like this. I'm just going to drop them here for now. Get another one here. Alright, so now that we got those out, we're going to pull it forward. Or, I'm sorry, push it towards the hood. And then we're going to pull this foam out, set it off to the side. Alright, and then that brings us into our filter. So in order to get this off, you're going to grab the end and you're just going to push it that way. You'll see. You just give it a nice little push and it comes right off. And then the filter is just going to fall right out. And as you can see, we got debris coming out with it. So yeah, this baby was ready to go. It's probably never been replaced by the looks of it. Alright guys, so we have just installed our cabin air filter in our Porsche Macan Turbo. So now we're going to go ahead and crank it up. Turn the air fan up all the way. Huge difference, guys. I can feel this way better than I could earlier. I live in Central Texas. It's 100 degrees out right now. So, yes, it smells better too. I don't know if it's placebo effect or whatever, but it definitely smells better right now. So. Alright guys, flip this camera around real quick. Got one more thing to show you and we'll get done with this video. Alright guys, so here we go. I've got our Tech Garage app here. I'm going to go ahead and click on our Porsche Macan, and we're going to go down and click on our cabin filter service here, which I already did. I'm just going to show you again here. This just shows you the difficulty was easy. You do it every 20,000 miles. We want to, it only took us 15-20 minutes, so it was real quick, easy. Here was a step-by-step procedure, which you guys just got it all here today visually. Hopefully it helped you out. There's where you can buy all the parts and order them for this specific job. We didn't actually need any tools, so that was great. And we just marked it as done here, and next time we come in here you guys will have a YouTube video to help you out as well. So there we go. We come back out and just look at our overall, and now you can see we only have our PDK left, which we have all the fluid filters, all that good stuff there for that. We still have our serpentine belt, which we have right here. And we still need to do our tire rotation and inspection. So other than that, that will get us all caught back up on all of our issues. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching this video. I really hope that this helped you out and you guys got your cabin air filter changed successfully. Guys, real quick, I just wanted to let you know, if you haven't already or aren't already a member, next time you're on Facebook, check out the Porsche Technical Support Group. That's our own Porsche family. We're almost 30,000 strong, and if you guys have any issues or anything, you can just get in there and post it right on the Facebook group, and everybody's really great. So guys, again, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching my videos. Please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.